In this video everyone, I'm gonna show you how to make your own ringtone while even making your own music on GarageBand app, and you can save it on the settings. Hello everyone and welcome back again. So in this video I'll show you how to add your own ringtone into your iPad. So let's start. If you go to settings here, you'll go to sound and you'll go to the ringtone. You'll see in the Android you can add ringtones by the plus button up, but here there is no. So I'll show you how to add your own ringtone on the iPad or iPhone. So let's start. First, if you have GarageBand, open it, but if you don't, go to the App Store, install it. This one. So I installed it, so I'll open it now. We'll see find keyboard, drums, AMP, audio recorder. So you can use anything you want. Okay, so I'll use keyboard. No, I'll use bass. You can here change the keyboard, change its meaning or something, and the auto. You can make the volume also, like here. If I'll make the volume like this. If you wanna make like the ringtone, you can make like this. See, you can make the song. If you wanna make the ringtone, press on this record button here. Okay, so I made the ringtone. So you will click on this paper here. There it is. So you'll click on it, hold, you'll press share, and you will click on ringtone. Name your ringtone as you want. Okay, I'll name it bass ringtone, and then I'll press export. Wait until it load, and you'll press use sound as. You can use it assigned to contact. Click the contact you want, and then it will ring as the contact. So you'll press standard ringtone. Go back to the settings. Go to the sound. This is the bass ringtone, as you did it. So like it will be as you did, and here as you did there, and the ringtone we're gonna play in there, the sounds, and you will see the bass ringtone. If you want to delete it, you can just swipe this side and click on delete. So your ringtone now is deleted. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget everyone to like this video and subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you never miss anything. And bye.